Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you some powerful tips and tricks in Odoo Accounting to automate your overdue invoice follow-ups and reduce manual effort. So let's start. So for this, just go to the accounting, then click on configuration and go to the follow-up levels here. Click here. Now you can see there is no follow-up level. So you can just create a new follow-up level that I am giving the description here delay, and I am setting the day 0 only. That means if any invoice become overdue, then it will automatically send the email immediately. So now I can select my action type, that is email. If I want to send the email, then I will select the email, and I can also select the SMS or the letter. Let's say I'm selecting the email only. Now I can give here the email template, that is payment reminder. Now I am selecting here the option automatic instead of manually. Now that means whenever an invoice become overdue, it will send the email automatically. Now if I want to schedule any activity for any salesperson or any account manager, then I can schedule that also. Like I had to just tick mark the checkbox of schedule activity. Now I will select the activity type that I want to schedule a call or the meeting. Let's say I want to schedule a call, and I am giving here the summary, that is payment reminder. Now I want to schedule this call for the salesperson. Like that, I can schedule my activity and then just hit on this save button, and this gives you the complete visibility on who has paid and who need attention. If I give you a real scenario, so let's say there is an invoice become overdue, then in that case email will send automatically if you had this follow up level. So thank you for watching, see you in the next video.